Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make flan without oven. Start by making a golden caramel in a heavy pan and pour it into your mold to set. Combine 4 eggs, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and a splash of vanilla in a bowl and whisk until smooth. Steam the mold in a water bath on low heat and chill thoroughly before serving for best texture. Position your flan mold on a rack inside a deep skillet and pour hot water to reach halfway up the mold sides. Cover the skillet with a tight lid and maintain a gentle simmer. Avoid vigorous boiling, which can cause bubbles and cracks. Check doneness by gently shaking. The center should jiggle slightly but not be liquid. Remove the mold carefully, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate overnight for clean slices and a silky finish. If your flan develops bubbles, strain the custard into the mold and tap gently to release air. Stop cooking when the center still jiggles a bit to prevent a rubbery texture. It will firm while chilling. To unmold easily, loosen the edges with a thin knife and briefly warm the base under hot water to melt the caramel slightly. Serve chilled with caramel sauce spooned over each slice for a classic presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.